Okay, Samsung just announced the following update, including when it will be available, but also what devices will be eligible for this particular update. Number one, you now have a 360 audio recording feature available for your or with your Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Not sure how good this will be, but Samsung claims that now everyone can be a filmmaker, film like a pro, capture high quality, realistic audio for video without the need for any heavy bulky equipment. In order for you to activate this feature, go to the Samsung camera app on your phone. Click on camera settings, go into video mode, tap advanced video options, turn on 360 audio recording. Of course, you will need One UI 5 or above with LE audio support, and the press release does say it will be available today. However, my personalized press release I received in German states it will be available today, but worldwide, yes, worldwide, it will be available on January 17th. Please remember that. Number two is the camera controller app on your Galaxy Watch. It now supports a zoom function. You can basically zoom in and out. Of course, that only counts in combination with your Galaxy phone. Please also remember that. You can pinch, zoom in or out by tapping the Galaxy Watch screen, and you can also use the rotating bezel. Funny Samsung mentioned that, especially when they just got rid of the rotating bezel for the next iteration of the Galaxy Watches 5 and 5 Pro. However, it's not a bad idea to have this if you are into selfies or you want to take group pictures. You can basically zoom in and zoom out. It is available for your Galaxy Watch 5, 5 Pro, Watch 4, Watch 4 Classic when paired with a Galaxy smartphone. That is most important part here. When paired with a Galaxy smartphone, otherwise it will not work. Your Galaxy smartphone will need One UI 5.1 this time or above in order for the camera controller function to be working and zooming in and work as described. You will also require, of course, the latest wearable updates and what have you. That is prerequisite for this to work. It will be featured, and when I say featured, it will probably be shown and showcased at the Galaxy Unpacked event in San Francisco on February 1st, and it will be released just after that. Thank you for watching. Peace.